St. Mark's Square underwater. When you see a gondola going past here, you know you're in trouble.
Facciamo che ne facciamo una foto un attimo vicino ai militari? No, vicino al fuoco. No, vicino, prima.
They're all packed up. Look, Venice is completely underwater.
No, that's bad.
Well,
The gondolas
are
floating on their own.
They're completely. Look, as you can see, it's St. Mark's Square completely underwater. This is bad. Ring with a new top. This is terrible. Look at this. Water's coming everywhere.
Take a few pictures.
Look at that. It's completely underwater. Look at that.
Square. Out the square.
And the wind's so strong.
They said that Venice has problems with the water, and I reckon this is completely unexpected this time of year. There must be a high tide today, I should imagine. It's quite windy out in the estuary, and as you can see, the water is coming through all sorts of places. Some that are drains of some sort. They're also coming through just from the pressure of the water. Venice itself is incredible. There's a city built on apparently nothing. It's just a lot of water is coming up, just welling up out the ground. But why exactly? I don't know. It must be to do with high tide.
St. Mark's Square.
And you can see here.
It's coming out of various places in the ground.
Yeah. Look at that.
Look at the children, Craigie, to the right.
Oh, and Billy goes down. Oh, yeah, baby! I guess we're going back to the
Hey, get back out there again. I'll snap a picture with the camera. Get back out there, girl.